We're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel, or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go!
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride!
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
A murder.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety rule.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the crusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times.
Exit's gonna be right over here, everyone. Right over here.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
A roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my doctor.
Ah, my next victims. So anyway, where are you all?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun. That's a lot of corporate. 6 flags backwards. Hey, I can see our car. You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? Every ball, we're both big and round and never finished high school.
Welcome to Magical Journey Through My Mouth.
You're all gonna die! Is this a video game?
The kiddie ride.
At least we're safe.
Begs to differ. You shut up. Train wheel.
Alone at last.
Bob's trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Bravo, but because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Oh, beer!
Henry's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody?
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? Alright, convenient whale!
An exit sign leads to an exit. Forward! Stay away from the ramp! I mean ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are flapping, my friend!
This must be the time to take your picture. I'm a baby bird. Smile.
It's only 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, that's our ride. Hey, what does this do?